A poem about the beauty and complexity of the human brain. The human brain, a wonder to behold. A universe in folds of gray and gold. A symphony of neurons, a dance of thought. A masterpiece of nature, a marvel wrought. From synapse to synapse, connections fire. A tapestry of memory, of desire. Infinite pathways, an endless sea. The human brain, a mystery. Within its folds, we explore and dream. In the deepest recesses, we find our scheme. Creativity in reason, emotion and thought. The human brain, a universe wrought. And yet, it's more than this, a subtle art. A complex web, a work of heart. A balance of chemistry, of flesh and bone. A symphony of mind, an endless tone. For in the human brain, there is a light. A spark of something, that shines so bright. A consciousness that sings and soars. A life force that forever pours. From birth to death, it guides our way. A map of our existence, from day to day. It gives us language, it gives us art. It's the very essence of who we are. And so we marvel at this grand design. A work of art, a thing divine. A symphony of mind and flesh. A marvel of nature, a wonder to express.